Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. In this video, we are going to resolve this error, which is BthA2DP.sys. That is a blue screen error in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if you're facing this problem, we have a pretty simple solution for that. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what I recommend you doing is just go to the start menu and here, just right here, troubleshoot, and it will show you this troubleshoot settings. So it is a system settings, just right click and just click on that. And here it shows you on the third option, other troubleshooters, just go in here. So here you will just find this Bluetooth troubleshooter, just run that. It will take some time, so just sit back and relax while it processes and show you some of the options. As you can see, the help menu is activated and now it's processing. So now it has opened some of the options. If we scroll down, it says, do we have your consent to run automated diagnostic to try resolving the Bluetooth problem? So just go ahead and continue that. Click on yes, and it will again process and show you this press continue button to proceed. Just click on that. And again, it will show you this check Windows update. You can just click on these responses. Do you see a restart required message in the Windows update window? So if you don't see this message, like I didn't see that, so let's click on no here. It will again process and show you, please wait while I check the status of your Bluetooth radio. So it says, I was able to detect the Bluetooth radio on your device. I'll redirect to the grayed out options to continue the troubleshooting problem, to continue the proceed. And this is how you can follow the prompts. And we have the consent to automatically resolve that. So when we finally get the restart option, then you should be able to resolve that. You can try running that. You can continue the diagnostic many times until get the problem solved. Now it says here, check for Bluetooth. You can check the Bluetooth and hopefully that problem should be resolved. And something else what you can try to resolve this issue is just go to the start menu and right here CMD and right click on here and run it as administrator. Click yes. Now what you can write here is, let me just zoom it a little bit. And what you can write here is write SFC, give a space, / scan now, hit enter, and it will begin the system scanning. So this process will take some time. So just sit back and relax while it completes that. So I'll just fast forward the process and show you the further what you can do after that. So once the process is complete, it will show you something like this. Windows Resource Protection found corrupted files and successfully repaired them. Or you can see some other message, but hopefully that should solve your problem. And after that, just restart your PC just like this and click on restart. And after restarting, guys, hopefully that should solve the problem. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for our next amazing updated videos. Take care.